Hello, and welcome to my channel. For this video I will show you how to make simple geometry in part program using Featurecam 2018. Please keep watching and follow the video. Let's get started. First open Featurecam and wait. Now, select milling setup. Select millimeter for the unit. And select new document. Select the block for the shape of material. Enter the width dimension of the block, the length and the thickness. Select next. Select the material. Select steel. And then select next. Setup number 1. Fixture ID is G54. And you can write the part name if you want. Then select next. Select align to stock face. Then next. Select the center. And then next. Select next. Select finish. And then finish. Select OK. Roll the roller of your mouse for zoom in, and zoom out. And hold the roller for pan command. Go to construct menu. Then select the line, and pick horizontal line and press enter. Then select vertical line and press enter. Now I have a center line. Press escape button to cancel the active command. Now, select line and pick the offset command. Then write the distance at the box. And select the line you want to offset. And do same thing to other side. Now continue watching the video. Select offset again and put the distance into the box. And select the line you want to offset. Keep watching. Select arc. Then select 3-point arc. Then pick the 3-point at the drawing to make an arc. Do this to the other side. Continue watching the video. Select fillet. Select 2-point fillet. Then put the radius dimension in the box. And pick the 2 line. And follow the next step. Select clip command. And pick the line that not needed in the drawing. Select the line and hold shift key at the keyboard. Continue selecting the line that doesn't need in the drawing. And right click the line and select deleted. Now, select line and pick the offset command. Then write the distance at the box. And select the line you want to offset. And do same thing to other side. Now continue watching the video. I will do rectangle at the center. Select line and then select offset command. Write the distance and select the line you want to offset. Do the same at the thing at the otherwise. Then select clip command to remove the line that doesn't need in the drawing. Select fillet command. Select corner fillet. Then put the dimension at the box. And pick the corner. Now I have a 2D geometry. For the next video I will do how to create part feature. I hope you have learned in this video. Please keep on watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. And see you on the next video. Goodbye.